How to fix Instagram story saved audio music option not showing. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if saved audio music option is not showing on Instagram. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Instagram. Now, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After updating the application, new features will be available to you, including the saved audio music option. Now, if your problem is still not solved, you want to open up your settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Here, you will find all the applications installed on your device. Simply scroll and tap on Instagram. Then scroll down and tap on Storage. Here tap on Clear Cache. Once you have cleared the cache, open Instagram and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines. Here you want to scroll all the way down and find the Help option. Tap on that. Now tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Report Problem again. Tap on either include or don't include. Here you want to mention that saved audio option is not being shown on Instagram story and you want Instagram to fix this as soon as possible. Then tap on the send option. Now, Instagram support team will help you fix your problem. After that, you want to tap on create story option. Either click a video or picture or you can select one from your gallery. Now tap on this music icon and here as you can see the saved option is available over here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.